FDA advisory panel meeting in just a few days to review the first vaccine candidate. States are working on how to distribute the Pfizer vaccine if it gets approved. ABC's chief national correspondent Matt Gutman takes a look at how One Health system is testing its plan.
Can I have you please roll up your sleeve?
Sterilization, real syringes, the swapping of latex gloves, lines of cards.
That's my first simulation for today.
This is a dry run. One officials here at Phoenix's HonorHealth hospital system spent 2 months planning ahead of the most complex vaccine distribution in medical history.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
I mean, I was really surprised, Mary. You pinched the skin, you got the needle ready, you got a Band-Aid. Are you trying to make it feel as real as possible?
Oh, yeah.
When the vaccine arrives, dozens of sites like this across the country hope to vaccinate the first several million first responders and frontline healthcare workers, and volume will be key.
Now, they've cycled through about 50 cars so far, but when they get the real vaccine, all of these lanes are going to be open, and they hope to get through 1,500 a day.
But there are many unknowns, chiefly the timing and quantity of those first Pfizer doses.
We're going to have a lot of little details coming up. I think the bones of this structure are good, and the team's worked really hard to get this together. I think now our work is going to be putting all those little details in place and fine-tuning over the next couple weeks.
Among those details, ABC News has learned Pfizer and the government still have not hammered out protocols for the specific handling of the vaccine once it's taken out of these freezers and thawed. Governors across the country rolling out potential plans on who gets vaccinated first. In Texas, officials outlining the first week's allotment, initially focusing doses on healthcare workers treating COVID patients, essential frontline workers, and vulnerable populations. And in the hard-hit Midwest, Ohio's Department of Health prioritizing everyday exposure.
This first tier is really targeted to the people who every day are facing the highest exposure and the highest risk to the virus.
For Good Morning America, Matt Gutman, ABC News, Phoenix.
And Pfizer hasn't commented on the specific handling of the vaccine once it's taken out of those freezers and thawed.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.